This is a recording for Complete Test 5. If you are having difficulty hearing the audio, make any necessary adjustments in the volume now. Read the directions in your textbook as you listen to the directions on this recording. Complete Test 5. Section 1. Listening Comprehension. In this section of the test, you will have an opportunity to demonstrate your ability to understand conversations and talks in English. There are 3 parts to this section, with special directions for each part. Answer all the questions on the basis of what is stated or implied by the speakers you hear. Do not take notes or write in your test book at any time. Do not turn the pages until you are told to do so. Part A. Directions. In Part A, you will hear short conversations between 2 people. After each conversation, you will hear a question about the conversation. The conversations and questions will not be repeated. After you hear a question, read the 4 possible answers in your test book and choose the best answer. Then, on your answer sheet, find the number of the question and fill in the space that corresponds to the letter of the answer you have chosen. Listen to an example. On the recording, you will hear,
"That exam was just awful."
Oh, it could have been worse.
"What does the woman mean?" In your test book, you will read, A. The exam was really awful. B. It was the worst exam she had ever seen. C. It couldn't have been more difficult. D. It wasn't that hard. You learn from the conversation that the man thought the exam was very difficult and that the woman disagreed with the man. The best answer to the question, "What does the woman mean?" is D. It wasn't that hard. Therefore, the correct choice is D. Now we will begin Part A with the first conversation. Number 1.
You have rehearsal tonight? For what?
I have a role in the school play.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
Would you like to get some coffee or tea, perhaps?
I am a bit thirsty.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
You seem rather tired. Do you need to get some rest?
I'm not at all tired. In fact, the opposite is true.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
The amount of money we had to pay for these texts was way out of line.
I'll say.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
You couldn't get into your apartment? Why not?
The key they gave me wouldn't fit into the lock.
What does the man mean? Number 6.
Did you go to the conference, or did someone else represent you?
I had one of my friends go in my place.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
What did the lawyer say?
The lawyer told me to call him back tomorrow.
What does the woman mean? Number 8.
What can you tell me about Professor Mitchell's class?
Well, there's hardly any homework, but the exams are really difficult.
What does the man say about the class? Number 9.
This math problem is just too hard.
Let's leave it for now and come back to it later, after we've finished the rest of the problems.
What does the man suggest? Number 10.
Everyone was sure talking a lot in class.
That's true. I had a lot I wanted to contribute to the discussion, but I couldn't get a word in.
What does the man mean? Number 11.
That meeting was extraordinarily chaotic, disorganized, and fruitless. It perturbs me that I had to sit through it in its entirety.
Well, I'm glad I missed it.
What does the man say about the meeting? Number 12.
I can't believe how fast the professor spoke during the lecture on physiology.
You can say that again.
What does the man mean? Number 13.
Can we get together this afternoon to discuss our project?
Sorry, I can't. I have a doctor's appointment. I have to get my eyes checked.
Where is the woman most likely going? Number 14.
How would you like to go skiing this weekend?
I was kind of scared the last time I tried it, but I'd like another chance to try it again.
What does the woman mean? Number 15.
The conference last weekend was really great.
I heard that it was. I really wish I had been able to go.
What does the man mean? Number 16.
Do you think you should take a jacket to this baseball game?
Oh, I wasn't uncomfortable at the last game, and I didn't have a jacket with me then.
What does the woman imply? Number 17.
You got a ticket? How did that happen?
The car was parked in a no parking zone.
What does the man mean? Go on to the next page.